Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my current postpartum workout routine. Now that I am a few months out, I've started to get a little more active and I've definitely been a lot more consistent with it. For the first couple months after Hayden was born, I did a lot of walking just to get myself out of the house, just get some blood pumping and just to get some fresh air. But now that I'm a little bit further along and just kind of wanting to get back into, basically get back into better shape, this is kind of, I'm going to be sharing with you what I've been doing recently to kind of ease myself back into working out consistently, you know, like I did pre and even during pregnancy. I am also going to be sharing an activewear haul with you guys, which I'm so excited about. I recently got some seriously cute stuff from Fabletics. So Fabletics is actually sponsoring this video today, and I have some really cute stuff that I got from them recently and I cannot wait to share with you guys. I'm gonna do like a little bit of like a try-on haul. It is definitely harder to get motivated to work out postpartum, not because I don't want to feel good and work out, but more so because my time is so limited now that it's kind of like, well, if you're gonna work out, you gotta do it right now. So it's kind of been harder to get myself in that like mindset and get myself super motivated. But I gotta say, having cute workout clothes, it really does make a difference because you want to put it on because you're like excited to wear it versus just like slapping on like a t-shirt and leggings that you've worn a million times. So it's definitely been helpful to kind of get me back on the bandwagon. So if you guys don't know what Fabletics is, it's that company that Kate Hudson started, and it's like all different kinds of really cute, like trendy activewear, but everything is super affordable. But also what's really cool is everything kind of switches out monthly. So every month you can get like a few new pieces just to kind of keep your like activewear wardrobe updated and fresh, and you always have like something kind of like cute and exciting to wear to work out. So you basically just take like a little style quiz, so that way Fabletics kind of like gets to know what you like to wear as far as activewear, and then it will suggest outfits for you like based on your style. They also always have like exclusive monthly discounts, and you're in the loop when like all the new releases come out and what they're going to be launching. And then like as a VIP you get, I think it's like 50% off of like all of their prices, which they're already pretty affordable, and you get free shipping too. So it's like actually really awesome if you like having cute activewear, and especially if you want it like updated often and just like want like cute trendy stuff to wear like to the gym or to work out or wherever. And I'm actually going to have a link for you guys down in the description box where you can get 2 pairs of their leggings, which they're really nice leggings. I'm gonna do the try on for you in a second, but you can get 2 pairs of leggings for 24 bucks, which is pretty awesome. So you guys can check out that link below if you want to take advantage of that. But without further ado, I'm gonna share with you guys my try on haul. I got 5 different outfits, and honestly everything can be mixed and matched, so it's like endless combinations. I'm so excited to share with you. Okay guys, so try on time. I've got this really cute outfit on. This is the first one. So the tank, this is the Janice muscle tank, and it says work out hard and be nice. I just think that's cute. So this, it's a muscle tank, obviously. I just have on like a black sports bra, but I just tied it up a little bit. Little tip, you can use those like little clear tiny elastic hair ties like for little girls to make like perfect knots without stretching out your shirts. If you didn't know that, that's just a little tip. So I love like tying up a muscle tank, and I just think this is super cute. And then these are these leggings are called high-waisted statement power hold. That's the name of these. I really like them. So they are definitely high-waisted and they're really comfortable, but they like also kind of suck you in, if you know what I mean, and they make your butt look good, which is always good. And I just like, they have like this color block detail, and it's like bold and fun without being like too crazy, like an all over print, which like just isn't really my style. But so I love this outfit. Okay, and then here is outfit number 2. So it's like this blush top and then these gray leggings, and they actually have like mesh, I don't know if you guys can see that, like mesh detail on the bottom. And I think these are called like the seamless high-waisted mesh leggings. And then this top also has kind of this mesh detail on the back too, which I really like. And it's just like this cool blush color. And then these leggings again are high-waisted, which is really nice. And I really like this top with the pants together because they both have like the mesh detail. Now outfit number 3, I am loving this one too. So another pair of gray leggings. These are the mid-rise mesh capri, and they do not go up as high as the other ones, but still like high enough to kind of, you know, suck you in. And then this is another one of the muscle tanks. You guys, this muscle tank is so freaking soft. I want one in every single color. And again, I kind of tied it up, but untied, it's also like really cute too. It has like a nice cut to it, and it just like lays really nicely on. And you guys, it's seriously so comfortable. I want to wear this like all day long. It's so soft. And now outfit number 4. So first off, this tank is super cute. It has like this kind of cinch detail on the side, which is super flattering, and it's just kind of like, you know, plain in the back, but it's kind of like meshy. It's really nice. And then like really breathable too, so especially with like the hot weather coming, it'll be really nice. And then these leggings are kind of like a burgundy color. I don't know if the lighting in here is really giving them justice, but it's like a really pretty, like rich burgundy purpley color. And these are the mid-rise, so they still come up pretty high, but they're not like super duper high rise. And they're also pretty comfortable. These are the only leggings so far that I think I probably would have sized up a size in. I have all the leggings I got, I'm pretty sure were an extra small. But this pair I think I probably would size up in. So if you're gonna get these, maybe think about sizing up just so they're like not quite as tight. I mean, they still work. But yeah, I don't know. I do really like them. I love the color, and they also kind of have like a little bit of like a texture detail, which isn't really picking up on camera, but these are really nice too. Okay, and then here is our final outfit. I am in love with this one. It has this, this is like, it's called the casual. It's like a white half zip. It is so comfortable. It has like the little holes for your thumbs, which I really like, and it's really, really light. I love having these like long sleeve half zip pullovers to pull, like just throw on when I'm like heading out the door to go to the gym, or if I'm just like going for a walk outside. It's really nice if it's like chilly, but I know I'm gonna be moving. It's just, I love having these, just like these on hand, and it's kind of like mesh detail on the side, which is kind of cool. And then I love these like blush pink leggings. I really like the stitching. I feel like it's just super, super flattering, but I am just loving this last outfit. I love the blush, and I love me some white. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the try on haul, and now I want to talk to you a little bit more about my actual postpartum fitness routine. So I would say around like 8 weeks, I started to get like a little more active. Up until then, I was just like going for walks, you know, with like Hayden in the stroller outside just to get some fresh air and just, you know, stay a little bit active. But it wasn't really until like 8 weeks that I started doing like a little bit more. And then it wasn't really until probably like 10, 12 weeks that I actually started like working out for real again. So what I have been doing is kind of a mix of like strength training, like a little bit of high intensity maybe at this point, and then also just some like low intensity and just walking. I'm just continuing to do those longer walks outside. This is kind of what I've always done. I do like a mix of more like strength training, like more high intensity with more just like low intensity cardio, that kind of thing. It's what keeps, I'm able to stick with that the best because that's just what I enjoy the most, and I feel like it just makes me feel the best. So my new routine that I've kind of been easing myself into the past few weeks is working out like with strength training and high intensity about 3 days a week, and then I walk about 2 like longer walks like 2 days a week. So I've actually been doing like BBG again, which is like the Kayla Itzinas, it's like the Bikini Body Guide. I have like the old school, like the book. I know she has like an app and like this whole thing now. I don't have that. I just have like the old school guides. And I've been using that. I have it because I did it like before my wedding. So I've just been doing those workouts. Either I'll go to the gym, which I prefer to go to the gym because it's just so much easier to get in the zone. But a lot of times I just end up doing it at home because it is so much faster because I don't have to like get out of the house and drive there and all of that. So I will literally just like roll out a yoga mat in our living room, pop on my sneakers, and I will just do the workout there. They're about like 28, 30, it takes me like 30 minutes usually. And it's just a mixture of like squats and lunges. There's always like ab work in there. There's like arms, and it's like all body weight for the most part. So recently, like these past few weeks, I've actually been doing like there's like a pre-workout plan, which is like 4 weeks of like lighter BBG, and it's really good if you're either like just out of shape or you've just had a baby. So that's what I've been doing because it's definitely like a little bit easier, lower impact, and it's easing me back in. I was pretty active my whole pregnancy. I worked out somewhat consistently up until like, I mean, I like went to the gym on like 40 weeks and walked on the treadmill. So I was pretty active the whole time, and I did like eat well. So I don't feel like I have, personally, when it comes to postpartum fitness, I'm not doing this because I'm trying to like get my body back. To be honest, my body isn't like super different because I didn't like change a whole lot during pregnancy outside of normal pregnancy changes. Like I didn't gain a ton of weight on top of like what my body needed to gain. I gained like, I think it was like 28 pounds or something like that. I don't know. I'm honestly not super focused on it. Of course my body's a little bit different. It's a little bit thicker. My butt's a little flatter. I've got stretch marks. My boobs are a little saggier. But I don't know. I just like, to me, I'm just kind of like, I expected those changes, and I don't know if I'll ever go back to the way I was before. But it's really not about that for me. It's more just about like feeling in shape and being active, because when I'm out of shape, I just feel so much more sluggish. My moods just aren't as like happy and positive. Like I just love to be active. And even if I don't necessarily love to work out, I love the feeling of being in shape. So that's what like kind of drives me to do it. But anyway, that was kind of a tangent. But yeah, so I do like 3 days a week. I'll do like the BBG workouts. I don't know if I'm like necessarily gonna like do the whole 12 weeks or anything like that. I'm just kind of doing this for now. Also, I've always talked about Lauren Gleisberg. Like anytime I mention a workout video, which is not that often here on YouTube, I pretty much always talk about her because I love her workouts. You can follow her on Instagram. She's got like a ton of them on free for free on Pinterest. But she's coming out, it may have already came out, but soonish she's coming out with like a mom plan, and she is like really big on like a mix of strength training and a little bit of high intensity, and I just really like her workout. So I might check that out and like buy her workout plan. I don't know, we'll see, and just kind of see how I like it. But yeah, so I'm just kind of doing this for now just to get myself back in shape. Again, it's not like I'm not doing this as like a challenge per se to like change my body. It's more just they're good workouts and they're effective and they're a short amount of time, which is like what I need nowadays. So then, like I said, I do like to go for 2 longer walks 2 days a week. We have like a loop that Matt, Rosie, Hayden, and I do in the neighborhood, and I think it's about a 50-minute walk, so it's definitely longer, but you know, we go together as a family and we're just talking the whole time, and it's just like, it's actually really nice, and I look forward to it and I enjoy it, especially now that the weather is finally starting to change and it's not super cold. It's just really nice to get outside. So that is pretty much it for my workout routine right now. Like I said, it's not really to like get my body back or anything like that. I feel like that's just such a toxic thought, because your body had a baby and it might never go back to the way that it was, and that's okay, because that is like part of being a woman and literally growing a person inside of you. If you guys have any like workout plans or just like different types of exercise in general that you loved doing postpartum, I would love for you to share them down below. I think it's interesting that everybody loves different types of exercise. People gravitate towards different things. The most important thing at the end of the day is just to find something that you actually like, you don't hate, you know, like you're actually gonna do. It shouldn't be a punishment. You know, exercise and being active, it's kind of a privilege, right? And it feels so good when you're done, just to feel active and get your blood pumping and just like sweat a little bit. It's so good for, you know, your mind, and then also just physically, of course, as well. But that is pretty much it. And if you guys want to check out Fabletics, again, that link is gonna be down below. You guys are gonna get 2 pairs of their like game-changing leggings. They actually really are good leggings. You're gonna get 2 pairs for 24 bucks, which is crazy because they're well worth much more than that. That's like a really, really good deal. And like I said, everything is just like cute and trendy, and it changes monthly. So it's just like really kind of a fun thing to be a part of. And if you are into fitness, or maybe you want to get more into fitness, and this will kind of be the thing that motivates you to get your workouts in, then definitely check it out, because they do have some really cute stuff. And if I had to pick, I would say the Power Hold leggings, those really cool color black ones that I showed you guys, those were probably my favorite out of all of them. And then also their muscle tanks, they're just so soft, and I love that you can like tie them up, and they're cute and they're not like too tight. They're just, those are probably my favorites. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out that link below, and thank you to Fabletics for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.